Hello everyone. Today we will start discussing about what atom, and today also our topic is atom. Atom. Then what do you mean by atom? हिजो पनि हामी यसको बारेमा केही डिस्कसन गरेका थियौँ. त एटम एउटा सानो एलिमेन्टको सबभन्दा सानो के हो? पार्टिकल सबभन्दा सानो. The atom, what the smallest particle, it means smallest particle. The smallest particle of the smallest particle of the atom, the smallest particle of an element which can take part, which can take part in a chemical reaction. What a chemical reaction? Chemical reaction is called what? Atom. Again, the smallest particle of an element which can take part in a chemical reaction. What a chemical reaction is called what? Atom. Example, this is what? Hydrogen. This is the symbol of hydrogen. But what? One atom. What? It is the atom of hydrogen. What? This is atom. But one atom of hydrogen. It means what? This is the hydrogen. But one atom of hydrogen. What? H indicate what? One atom of hydrogen. What? Hydrogen. What? 2 H. It means what? Two atom of hydrogen. What? Two atom of hydrogen. 3 H. It means what? 3 atom of hydrogen. 3 atom of hydrogen. And so on. 4 it means 4 atom of hydrogen. But H2. We can also say it means 2 atom of hydrogen. No, it's wrong. 2 molecules of hydrogen. What? Here again. This is the atom of hydrogen. This indicates what? Atom of hydrogen. How? 1 atom of hydrogen. But this is indicated what? Molecules of hydrogen. It means what? 1 molecules of hydrogen. It means what? This is indicated what? 1 molecule of hydrogen. Hydrogen. And also 2s2. It means what? 2 molecules of hydrogen. Allysium 3s2. What? 3s2. It means what? 3 molecules of hydrogen. It means what? It means H atom of hydrogen. 2H also atom of hydrogen. 3H also of hydrogen. But H2 is the what? Molecules of the hydrogen. Here, remember again. H indicated by atom, but H2 indicated by what? Molecules. Understand? H means atom of hydrogen. 2H also 2 atom of hydrogen, but H2 means molecules of hydrogen. This is what? This is indicated 1 molecules of hydrogen. It means again what? 3H2. What indicates? It means 4 molecules of the hydrogen. But again B. It means what? Beryllium. But what? This is the 1 atom of the beryllium. What? B. B, the symbol of the beryllium. Beryllium, eh? Beryllium. Symbol what? B. But what? B. The 1 atom of beryllium. 2B, 2 atom of beryllium, 3B, 3b, 3 atom of the beryllium at the minimum. Again sodium, what? Sodium, Na, sodium, symbol of Na. It means what? 1 atom of the sodium, what? Na, 1 atom of the sodium, also 2Na what? Na, 1 atom of the sodium, 2Na means 2 atom of the sodium. Magnesium, what? Magnesium, Mg, what? 1 atom of the magnesium, 2 Mg, what? 2 Mg, 2 Mg means what? 2 atom of the magnesium, 3 Mg, what? 3 Mg means 3 atom of the magnesium. Calcium, what? Calcium, the symbol is Ca, it means Ca, what? 1 atom of the calcium, 2Ca, what? 2 atom of the calcium, 3Ca, what? 3 atom of the calcium. Potassium, what? Potassium, symbol is K, what? 1 atom of the potassium, 2K, 2 atom of the potassium, 3K, what? 3 atom of the potassium as a minimum. It means what? The smallest particle of an element which can take part in a chemical reaction is called what? Atom. But an atom has a further smaller subatomic particles, some atomic particles like as proton, electron, neutron, what? Proton, electron, neutron, what? An atom has further smaller subatomic particles. These are proton, electron, neutron. These particles are also called what? Elementary particles. What? Elementary particles. Among these particles, proton and neutron. What? Proton and neutron situated in the center of the atom. What? Situated center of the atom. Proton and neutron always what? Situated in the what? Center of the atom. But electron always revolve around the nucleus. What? Always nucleus. Understand? Nucleus. We take some example. Helium. What? Helium. The atomic number of helium 2. Hydrogen helium 2. Helium. What? Helium. Symbol is what? H. It means what? The atomic model of the helium. Atomic model of the helium. What? According to the atoms, proton and neutron. What? Proton and neutron always what? Situated in the center of the atom. What? Center of the atom. The P means proton and N means neutron. But electron. What? Electron always revolving around the nucleus. What? Always revolving around the nucleus. Proton have a positive charge. What? Positive charge. But neutron have a negative charge. It means chargeless. Chargeless. It means zero charge. Chargeless. So proton have a 2. Proton. It means atomic number equal to what? Proton numbers. What? Neutrons have also 2 numbers. And what? Electron. Electron always what? Revolving around the nucleus. So there are how many electrons? 2. 1 and 2. तो के गर्छ इलेक्ट्रोन जहिले पनि न्यूक्लियसमा मुभिङ गरिरहेको हुन्छ तर प्रोटोन वाट प्रोटोन र न्यूट्रोन यसको एटमको के हुन्छ सेन्टरमा हुन्छ के हुन्छ बीचमा हुन्छ सेन्टरमा हुन्छ अगेन सब एटॉमिक पार्टिकल्स अफ एटम प्रोटोन एंड न्यूट्रॉन एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन proton and neutron always situated in the center of the atom, understand? But electron indicated by electron always what? Revolving around the nucleus. Revolving around the nucleus. Nucleus. Understand? And the next, this is the atomic model of the helium. Next, atomic model of the sodium. What atomic model of the sodium? Atomic model of the sodium. Of the sodium. What? Sodium. Here. This is the what? Proton and neutron. The proton and neutron always situated in the center of the atom, but electron always moving around the nucleus. What? Sodium have 11 electrons. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. In next orbit 1. This is what? Electron. All electron. This is the electron. What? Proton and neutron what? Situated in the center of the atom, but electron revolving around the nucleus. What? Revolving around the nucleus. I hope all of you understand atom and what is the atom and what is the subparticle of the proton and neutron and where is also situated in the proton, neutron and electron. Understand? And our next topic is summer